had an incredible time exploring Cebu thanks to the Klook Pass. Our family visited Cebu Ocean Park, Cebu Safari, and Adventure Park, and the Museum of Emotions, and each experience was unforgettable. At Cebu Ocean Park, we were mesmerized by the stunning marine life and thrilling exhibits. Cebu Safari offered a unique blend of wildlife encounters and exciting activities, perfect for both kids and adults. The Museum of Emotions was a delightful surprise, engaging all our senses with its interactive displays. Thank you, Klook, for making our trip to Cebu so memorable. The Klook Pass Cebu was everything we wanted and more. It gave us the convenience we needed, especially after having to travel to Carmen from Cebu City, which took 2 to 3 hours. The process of claiming the tickets was seamless, no lines, no waiting. Would definitely purchase this again. Thank you so much, Klook. Amazing bundle. Started with less pacing activity at 1. Cebu Ocean Park. On my third visit, saw changes and decreasing fish on the aquarium, yet got to experience dining on the front of the huge tank while fish feeding was done. 2. At Cebu Safari, one of my highlights is the up-close and personal African savanna experience and white lion encounter. On this third visit I still feel the excitement seeing the fauna and flora that form an ecosystem. 3. A bit knackered after a tiring whole day at safari with all the excitement and walking, so here comes the spa at the Reef that offers a relaxing ambience and rejuvenating spa experience handled well by an experienced one. Highly recommended. It's really a good spot to bring your family for a day. My kids loved it. The spacing is good enough that you can walk around. With so many animals to view, lions, zebras, orangutans and many more. They also have a flower garden, orchid garden, bird show and many more. Thanks, Klook. From making the reservation/booking to having inquiries. 5-star. Booker Super Saver 3 for 2 packs and scheduled it on wrong dates, but everything went smooth upon participating the activities. Highly recommended to book through Klook. Customer representatives are very helpful and you get to save some. We were glad we booked for this bundle. Highly recommended to visit J Park Island Resort and Cebu Safari. Super worth every penny and every minute of it. Kids and adults had fun together and there are so many to learn,